You know, these days, it seems that more and more of us want nutrition labels to be clean and list simple ingredients, rather than ones that are hard to pronounce. This isn't always possible, but we came up with an easy homemade tomato sauce that features fresh tomatoes, as well as a few other pantry favorites. We start by cutting up about 4 pounds of super ripe tomatoes. This time of year, you shouldn't have any problem finding ones that are really fresh like this. Next, we fill our blender about 3/4 of the way full and give it a whirl until the tomatoes are pureed. Then we pour this into a soup pot and we repeat this until all the tomatoes are used up. Now we add some off-the-shelf spices and let it simmer uncovered for about an hour. We'll stir in some fresh basil and voila! This sauce is ready to serve over everything from pasta to veggies. This is something that you can whip up in no time. There's no peeling or seeding, simply blend, simmer, and enjoy. And when it comes to taste, all I can say is, Mamma mia, it's good. To get the recipe for what we call blender tomato sauce, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh and saucy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.